The career nobody can replace. How to stay valuable in an AI world. What if the job you're working so hard for today doesn't exist 10 years from now? Pause. And what if the people who succeed in the future aren't the smartest, but the most adaptable? For generations, people were told the same formula. Go to school. Get a degree. Find a stable job. Work hard. And everything will work out. For a long time, that advice made sense. But today, something is changing. Faster than most people realize. Artificial intelligence is writing articles, creating videos, analyzing data, answering questions, generating images, and performing tasks that once required years of training. Naturally, this creates fear. People worry about losing their jobs, their careers, their future. But here's the truth nobody talks about enough. The biggest threat isn't AI. The biggest threat is becoming stagnant. History has never been kind to those who refuse to adapt. When cars replaced horses, entire industries disappeared. When computers arrived, countless jobs changed forever. When the internet transformed the world, some people embraced it, others ignored it. The difference between those groups wasn't intelligence. It was adaptability. And that's exactly what's happening again. The people who thrive in the future won't necessarily be the most talented. They'll be the people who continue learning long after everyone else stops. Think about it. Technology changes. Industries change. Markets change. But one thing remains valuable in every generation: the ability to learn. A person who can learn new skills quickly can survive almost any change. A person who refuses to learn will struggle even in good times. Now here's the interesting part. Many people believe AI will replace humans completely. But the most successful people understand something different. The future belongs to those who combine technology with humanity. Because while AI can generate information, it cannot replace genuine character. It cannot replace integrity. It cannot replace leadership. It cannot replace empathy. It cannot replace courage. It cannot replace the human ability to inspire other human beings. The future won't reward people who compete against technology. The future will reward people who learn how to work alongside it. That's why your mindset matters more than ever. Because every day, you have a choice. You can fear change, or prepare for it. You can complain about the future, or build yourself for it. You can spend years wishing things stayed the same, or become the type of person who grows with every challenge. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. One version of you ignored the changes happening around you. The other version stayed curious, learned new skills, adapted, improved, and embraced growth. Both futures are possible. The question is, which version are you becoming today? Because the career nobody can replace belongs to the person who never stops evolving. And in a world that's constantly changing, that may become the most valuable skill of all. What's the one skill you're currently learning, or want to learn, that you believe will still be valuable 5 years from now? Share it in the comments. Subscribe for weekly mindset shifts, future-ready lessons, and powerful motivation designed to help you thrive in a changing world.